सेक्शन 65 वीज कायदो 2013 अंतर्गत शासकीय अनुदान दिवपाचो सरकाराक अधिकार आसा. गोंय सरकारान सेक्शन 65 वापरून वीज दर कमी करचो म्हण मागणी काँग्रेसीची आसा. आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर कॅन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस आणि विलियम रॉड्रिगीस.
State government is entitled under Section 65 of Electricity Act 2013 to give subsidy to the people. So, at the outset, I would like to request the government to invoke that provision of Section 65 of the Electricity Act 2013 to give relief to the people. I would like to know, you see, these rates are not fixed arbitrarily by government. We agree. The procedure starts a year back, and before the commission, that is Joint Electricity Regulatory Commission fixes the rates, the state government is called to submit your presentation. For Union Territory and Goa, there is one commission that I like to explain to you. All Union Territories and state of Goa, there is one commission which I have mentioned just now. Now, before fixing, state government is called to make their presentation and argue what rate should be there, or what concession should be there, whatever it is. I would like to know what arguments were presented before the commission by state of Goa.
Rest all the categories of domestic have been hiked abnormally high. Not only that, they have hiked the commercial category also. They have not left commercial category also. Commercial category was also, if you see, commercial category is been removed from 325. The first slab was 325 in commercial. That has gone to 5 rupee 15 paisa. Second slab was 3 rupees 90 paisa. That has gone to 6 rupees 15 paisa. Third slab was 4 rupees 30 paisa and 4 rupees 70 paisa. That has gone to 6 rupees 85 paisa. So this time the department probably has put up before the JERC to punish the consumers, local domestic consumers and the commercial consumer. I have got the chart. And what is the tariff from 1st April 2018? That also I have there. You decide. You see how much percentage increase is there. That anybody can see. Any शाळेतलो भुरगो सो सांगतलो. What is
so how is the power minister to file a petition before JERC?
No, he told me, I spoke to him in the morning, saying that this is injustice to the consumers. He also agrees with me that it has not been handled properly, probably by the department. He may not be aware also what department argued before the this.